Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that you can get a lot from this channel. So today my people, I've just come with another topic. It's how to help someone who have cough. A lot of cough. She or he use a lot of medicine but didn't work. So today is our traditional medicine on how to help someone who have suffered a lot with cough. So what to do in order to help this person? First of all, you should have this thing as you see in front of you. As you can see there, white one is salt, normal salt my people. It's just normal salt which we use at our home place. And here is our ashes, just normal ashes my people. So what to do? Take as I did, a half of spoon with salt and a half spoon with ashes. Then you should mix them together. So after mixing them together, give the person who suffered with cough, and after that she will be hung those mixture of ashes and salt at morning and evening, so twice per day like that. It will help her to cure that problem, even if she used a lot of medicine but didn't work. So here is our traditional way on how to cure yourself by cough. So I've just come to share with you the thing because I'm the one, or I'm the example of you here. If I have a lot of cough, so I always use this traditional way so that it's very fast to give a word to give results, just like that. So that I've said I should share with you my people, and you should know how to treat cough by using traditional way. So it's just like that my people. If you want to help someone, just do like that, so you will be helping he or she. It's just like that. Don't forget again to subscribe, like, comment and share so that you can support me, so that you can get a lot, we can be together. Thank you for watching my people, thank you for listening, and you are so welcome in another topics.